This is keyless one. Can't make a lot of car videos, so I'm doing some snow videos right now. So stay tuned. A lot of videos coming. It's all snow right now. Alright, I'm good for now. Yeah, good morning, good morning. This is for all who doesn't live in the Northeast. It's like winter wonderland this morning. And wake up to all of this snow on the ground. Gotta have to do some shoveling. Lots of it. Look at the trees. Man, if you're in the warm weather, stay in the warm weather. Although it's beautiful though. Yeah, guys, just check this out. A lot of snow on the ground. You know. So I know there's a lot of people who never see snow, and I know there's some people who live in the warm weather. People who live, you know, like in the Caribbean and other countries, we haven't had snow. So check this out. Check this out, guys. A lot of snow on the ground. I'll be bringing more later. Yeah, man, more snow again. Yeah, beautiful. Ta-da. Yeah. Yeah, man, beautiful, beautiful. All the birds. I think they were gonna go down south. All right, gonna have to come out and get this thing all cleaned up. Oh, I'm gonna come down like crazy, man. Oh man. Yeah. Come down like crazy. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh man. The wind kicking up now. Yeah, the wind kicking up now. Oh man. Look at it. Oh man. I'm gonna have to dig out my snowblower. Yeah, wow. I'm gonna have to dig my snowblower out now. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, this is where you get living in New England. A lot of snow. A lot of snow. Cleaning off these cars. Lots and lots of snow. Yeah. Oh man. Play in the snow. Oh man. It's gonna be a lot of work. A lot of work. Getting these snows off. These cars. Oh, I was looking for my yeah. Lots of snow, man. That's gotta be over 10 inches. I need this car for this weekend. One gas here. This is for all the people who don't live in snow country. Just look at it and enjoy it. Yeah. Look at this thing and enjoy it. Living up here in this cold weather. It's not pretty, but what you gonna do? Yeah, you know, you have to get used to it. Yeah, man. Walk again. Trying to get some of this off. Getting this thing off. It's a lot of work. Pull it, pull it, pull this thing off. Pull it down, pull it down. See, a whole lot. Yeah. Then I'm gonna go hook up my snowblower later, but I'm cleaning off the cars first. And then go hook up my snowblower. Yeah. See? Yeah. Next door neighbor plow up some car. Yeah. See, it's a lot. Whoa. All these cars have to be cleaned off first. Yeah. Yeah. See, guys, if you live in the warm weather, go ahead and enjoy it, man. This is really sucks. A lot of all this thing, man. See, a lot of cleaning. A lot of cleaning. Somebody got to get it done, though. Yeah. Somebody got to get it done. Yeah, man. Gotta get it done. Lots of it. Yeah. A whole lot. Enjoy. I live in the snow. But you don't want no more. More snow. See? I get this thing done. Get this thing done. Yeah. Get it done right here. See? All that off. Yeah. Yeah, guys, gotta enjoy. This is what you get when you live in New England. All this snow. Snow in your door lock. Yeah, man. Yeah. Get this all off. Then you get your snowblower. And then you do the rest. Yeah. See? More snow. That already clean already, so I can't put no more snow over there. I gotta push the snow off this way. And then later come out with my snowblower. Get all these cars off. It's rough work. Yeah, for me, you come from the Caribbean. Yeah, rough work. What I gotta do, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's kind of fun. That's about freaking, I would say, how much? Whoa, it's probably about 10 or 12 inches. That's it's a lot, man. 10 or 12 inches up here on top of this car. Yeah. See? Wifey car get it. Yes, sir. Tell her. A lot. Yeah. But you don't want to scratch your paint, so you gotta use this thing to take off the snow, you know. And you don't want to scratch your paint. Otherwise, if you use a shovel, you have all scratches on your paint. So you gotta use this thing with rubber cleaner. Foam board, like a foam. Yeah, you gotta see it. You must plow. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright. We're getting all of this. Up the street. Yeah. A lot of work. I'm gonna have to cut this too. Oh man. Yeah. That's the plow truck. Plow truck. Oh. All these things I can't see up the street. Yeah. Yeah, those guys across the street running the plow truck. Plowing the road and the yard. Alright guys, and you're gonna have to clean all of this. Get everything here now. Big work. Lots of snow. Lots of snow. Yeah. See? This is a lot. Yeah. Yeah. Way more here. Get all these cars. I'll be back when the snow, when I'm running my snowblower, I'll be back. Alright guys. Yeah, back with the snowblower now. It's time for snow blowing. Yeah, time for the snow blowing. So here we go. We're snow blowing. Yeah, we're back with the snowblower.